Good morning, class. How are you today? Okay, very good. I'm fine, doing well. Okay, last time our topic is all about seasons. The four seasons. Those are the summer, the spring, winter, and autumn. Now we were going to integrate that lessons to our new topic, which is the ASEAN or the Associations of Southeast Asian nations. Okay, the countries member of the ASEANs or the Associations of Southeast Asian nations. First, we are going to discover or to know what are the different countries that belong to Southeast Asian nations. Again, countries that belong or members of the Associations of Southeast Asian nations. So that is the meaning of ASEAN. ASEAN stands for Associations of Southeast Asian nations. Now we are going to discover or to know or identify the different countries that members of the Southeast Asian nations. Okay, the first country is, okay, do you know this country? What? This is the flag. This is the flag of this country. Do you know this country? Okay, this country, this flag is belong to the country of, okay, Brunei. Okay, this is the flag of Brunei. So the first member of the Southeast Asian nation is Brunei. Again, Brunei. Okay, let's spell Brunei. B R U N E I. Brunei. Brunei. Okay, this is their flag. So this is the first member of the Southeast Asian nation. Next country is, okay, do you know this flag? Okay, the color is blue, red, blue, and there's a temple at the center. Okay, this flag belongs to Cambodia. 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 Again, Cambodia. Cambodia. Okay, let's spell Cambodia. C A M B O D I A. Cambodia. Cambodia. Okay. Next country. Okay. Do you know this country? Their flag is red and white. Red and white. Okay. What country is this one? Okay. Very good. This country is Indonesia. Okay. This is the flag of Indonesia. 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 Okay. Let's spell Indonesia. I N D O N E S I E. Indonesia. Indonesia. Okay, their flag is red and white. Okay, this one. What whose flag is this one? What country? Red, blue, red, and there's a circle, a white circle in the center. Okay, this country is, okay, Laos. Laos. Okay, Laos. Spell Laos. L A O S. Laos. Laos. Next country. Okay, their flag is a stripe of red and white, and in the corner is blue. There's the moon and the sun. Okay, this country or this flag belongs to the country of Malaysia. Malaysia. So this is the flag of Malaysia. Okay, spell Malaysia. 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 Next country. Okay. Their flag, the color is yellow, green, red, and there's a white star in the center. What country is this one? Okay, very good. This is the this is the flag of Myanmar. 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 Okay, spell Myanmar. M Y A N M A R. Myanmar. Myanmar. Okay, next. Okay, what country is this one? We have the red, the blue, red, and we have a triangle in the left corner with three stars and a sun in the center. Okay, this is my country, the Philippines. Okay, this is the flag of the Philippines. Okay, let's spell Philippines. Okay, Philippines. 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 Okay. Next country. Okay. The color of the flag is red and white again, but there's a white moon and five white star. Same with Indonesia. Okay, this country is okay, very good. Singapore. Singapore. This is the flag of Singapore. So Singapore is also a member of the Southeast Asian nation. Singapore. Singapore. Okay, let's spell Singapore. S I N G A P O R E. Singapore. Singapore. Next. Okay, do you know this flag? Huh? Do you know this flag? Yes, very good. This is your flag. Okay, this is the flag of Thailand. Okay, this is the flag of Thailand. Okay, red, white, blue, white, red. Okay, this is the flag of Thailand. Okay, who can spell Thailand? Okay, let's spell Thailand. T H A I L A N D. Thailand. Thailand. Next country. Okay, the last one. Okay, their flag is red and there's a yellow star at the center. Okay, this is the flag of Vietnam. 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 Okay, spell Vietnam. Okay, V I E T N A M. Vietnam. 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 Okay, what are the members of the Southeast Asian nations? Okay, number one. Okay, Brunei. Number two, next. Okay, Cambodia. Very good. Next, what else? Okay, Indonesia. Okay, Brunei, Cambodia, Indonesia. What is the number four members of the Southeast Asian nation? Okay, very good. Laos. Laos. Next. Okay. Malaysia. Number 6. Okay. Myanmar. Very good. Myanmar. Next. Okay. The country Philippines. Next. Singapore. Number 9. Okay. Thailand. And number 10 is Vietnam. Okay. These are or these are the countries that belongs to or members of the Southeast Asian nations. Brunei, Malaysia, Cambodia, Philippines, Indonesia, Myanmar, Thailand, Vietnam, Laos, and Singapore. These are the countries that members of the Southeast Asian nations. As I have said earlier that we are going to discuss the four seasons. We are going to integrate with the members of the Southeast Asian nations. So what I'm going to do is we are going to discuss what are the seasons in each country. What are the seasons in each country? Because different country has different seasons. Okay, so we are going to start with, okay, what are the four seasons first? What are the four seasons that we have studied? Okay, very good. Summer and winter, spring, and then autumn. Okay, those are the four seasons. Summer, winter, spring, autumn. Summer or hot season, when winter is for dry season, spring is dry season, autumn is rainy or wet season. Okay, winter is cold season. Okay, what are the weather? Okay, when you say summer, the season is summer, okay, the weather is hot because that's why they called it hot season. Instead of summer, they will say hot season or dry season. Winter, the weather is cold. That is why they call it cold season. Spring, the weather is warm or they will call it dry season. And then autumn is rainy season or wet season. So now we are going to discuss the seasons each country that members of the Southeast Asian nation. Okay, why different countries has different seasons? Why? Okay, regardless of the time of year, the northern and southern hemisphere always experience opposite seasons. This is because during summer or winter, one part of the planet is most or more directly exposed to the rays of the sun than the others, and this exposure alternates as Earth evolves in its orbit. Okay, remember if this is the Earth, okay, if this is the sun, so if you are here, so if the country is here, they are belong to or they will have the summer season and the country here will experience the winter season. And if this earth evolves, it will become like that. So again, this opposite side becomes now the summer and this one will experience the winter season. That's why we have different seasons in different countries. Okay, let's start with Brunei. Okay, Brunei has three. Okay, how many seasons do you have? Okay, one is dry season or the spring that occurs February, March, April. So February, March, April. Unlike here in Thailand that March, April is already summer, but in Brunei still dry season or spring season. Okay, hot season. Okay, or summer. Okay, there's summer, of course, on March, May, June, July, August, and September. March, May, June, July, August, and September. That is their summer season or hot season. And the rainy season is during October, November, December, and January. So this time, October, November, December, January, Brunei is rainy season. So since today or this month, today is January, so Brunei now has experiencing the rainy seasons. So these are the seasons that the Brunei experience: dry season, hot season, and rainy seasons. Brunei has no winter, though dry seasons is cold but not that much. So it's still dry season or spring season. Next is Cambodia. Okay, Cambodia experiencing rainy season in the month of, okay, July, August, September, October. So July, August, September, October, you will expect that Cambodia is rainy season or wet seasons. If you are trying to have a vacations on Cambodia, do not go in this month because Cambodia at this moment or at this month they are experiencing wet season. Next is dry season or the spring. Okay, this falls on November, December, January, February, March, and April. So during this month, Cambodia experiencing dry season or the warm season: November, December, January, February, March, and April. So unlike in Brunei, that this time they are experiencing rainy seasons, in Cambodia they are experiencing dry season. Hot season or summer, okay, May and June. So Cambodia experience a hot season or very hot weather is in May and in June. So these are the seasons that will happen or that occurs on Cambodia: rainy season, dry season, and hot season. Next is Indonesia. Okay, rainy season or the autumn. Okay, rainy season occurs in Indonesia on the month of November, December, January, February, and March. Same with Brunei. Well, we can say they have same because Indonesia and Brunei is very near. They are neighboring countries, so they will experience the same weather, the rainy seasons this month, January. Okay. Brunei also experiencing rainy seasons in the month of January. Same with Indonesia. Rainy seasons occurs on November, December, January, February, and March. Okay, dry season. There's summer and spring. Okay, it falls on April, May, June, July, August, September, October. Okay, again, dry season or summer and spring. Well, they don't have really hot summer because they don't have experiencing that very hot weather. So they still consider it as the spring season. So April, May, June, July, August, September, and October. So they only have two seasons occurs in Indonesia: the rainy season and the dry season. Lao. Okay, Lao experiencing dry seasons or spring on the month of November, December, January, and February. Okay, during this month, Lao experiencing dry season. Okay, their hot season or summer is March and April. Okay, rainy season or the autumn. Okay, May, June, July, August, September, and October. So Lao has three seasons. The dry seasons that occurs on November, December, January, and February. Hot seasons occurs on March and April. And then rainy seasons on May, June, July, August, September, and October. Malaysia. Okay, Malaysia has also dry season. Okay, this occurs on January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, and September. And the rainy season is October, November, December. Remember that they have, or have you have noticed that their dry season is very long, from January to September, and they don't have much, or they don't have summer. Why? Because Malaysia, there is almost no seasonal change in climate. But the most cold is in the time from January to September. So even during the summer here in Thailand, Malaysia still uh, experiencing a very cool weather. So they don't have summer. That's why they only have two seasons, the dry seasons and rainy seasons, because no seasonal change in climate. Next is Myanmar. Myanmar, okay, dry season occurs on November, December, and January. Unlike in Brunei that they are, and Indonesia, they are experiencing rainy seasons during January. Myanmar experiencing dry seasons at this month. Summer or hot season, okay, occurs on March, April, and May. Then rainy seasons is on June to October, June, July, August, September, October. They are experiencing also a long rainy season, with seasons from June to October. Again, Myanmar, they have three seasons: the dry season, hot seasons, and rainy season. Philippines, okay. In the Philippines, we have three seasons, of course. The dry seasons, which occurs on December, January, February. Hot seasons or the summer, that is March, April, and May. And rainy season or the wet season is June, July, August, September, October, and November. Singapore. Okay. Spring or dry seasons occurs on March, April, and May. Or hot seasons June, July, August, September. And the rainy season occurs on September, October, November, December, January, and February. So at this moment, Singapore is experiencing the rainy season or the wet season. Next is Thailand. Thailand has three seasons: the winter or the cold seasons from November, December, January, and February. Have noticed this time that the weather here in Thailand is very cold? even if you are if even it is in the 12 12 noon, still the wind is very cold because this is now the cold season here in Thailand. And the summer or the hot season occurs on March, April, May, and June. Though the hottest weather here in Thailand is on May, of course, on May. And you have the wet season or the rainy seasons, of course, on July, August, September, and October. These are the three seasons that occurs in Thailand. The cold season or the winter, hot season or summer, and the rainy seasons, the autumn. And then Vietnam has two seasons, rainy seasons and the dry season. Rainy seasons occurs on May, June, July, August, September, October, and the dry season is November, December, January, February, March, and April. Vietnam only has two seasons, the rainy season and the dry season. Okay, let's have the review. What are the countries that members of the Southeast Asian nation, ASEAN, Associations of Southeast Asian Nations? Okay, number one, Indonesia, very good. Next, okay, Brunei, very good. Next, okay, Cambodia. Next, okay, Malaysia, Laos, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, Vietnam, and Myanmar. These are the 10 members of the Southeast Asian nations: Malaysia, Myanmar, Cambodia, Thailand, Vietnam, Philippines, Indonesia, Brunei, Laos, and Singapore. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you for watching, class. See you in the next lessons. Bye bye.